Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala.
Sit comfortably. Please observe. Arms up. Now, churn your belly along with the rotation of the upper body. The effect is on the churning. Here, attention on your nadi. When you squeeze your belly, पेट को अंदर. Reverse. And relax. So we get into sumo sport. Please observe me once. Now take your right hand around your head and touch the ground. Same way, other side. Is that clear? Shall we start? Start with the right side. Inhale, exhale, palm on the floor. Left, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down, and 10, and down, and come back. Straighten your legs, relax, breathe on. Second line, and here we go. Complete rotation of the upper body, and you go down. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And come on. Legs apart. Both the hands are up. Don't do it right now. Go towards your right side. Down, down. Complete rotation. Jump. Let's get ready. Extend your both the arms up. And go with the flow. Inhale. And as you go down, you exhale. Inhaling up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going, keep breathing. And come back. Ensure that you do not bend your legs, okay? Just the upper body with the arms and the shoulders. Other side.